napkin, sa banyo, shampoo, na pagkatapos gamitin ay tatapon o pakalat-kalat. Sana hindi ho tayo miyembro na pakalat-kalat lang siguro.
Tama.
Walang value, tama? Pero pag commodity ka, you are valuable naman. Kaya pakitanong nyo akong katabi mo, ano ka ba?
Ano ka ba?
O commodity. Okay lang po yun eh. Kasi minsan mayroon pong commodity at yung pangatlo doon may matindi yung kamote. Kaya huwag po tayo maging kamote. Di ba pag tinawag ang kamote rider, masakit. Lalo pagka miyembrong kamote. Tama ho? So, kaya ho, sa ating pag-aaral ay ating pong binasa yung pangalang Abishai. At binanggit po siya dito po sa ating pag-aaral. At first mention po niya sa 1 Samuel chapter 26 and verse number 8 to verse number 10. At saka sa 2 Samuel chapter 23 verse 18. Abishai was known as a valiant warrior, a loyal servant to King David. At talaga namang sabi nga, he's always alongside with Joab, the general, Ahazael, who were also the sons of Zeruiah and David's nephews. So makikita ho natin ito mga kapatid, that ito pong passage na ito ay hinighlight po yung pangalang Abishai. Loyalty to David. He offers to kill Saul when he had opportunity or when opportunity arises. But hindi ho yun pinayagan ni King David. Sa 2 Samuel chapter 23 and verse number 18. So Abishai was the chief of the 30 as a leader among David's mighty men. Meaning, showcasing the military powers ay talaga namang isa ito sa pinaka-the best na talagang leader. Talaga namang pag tinatawag sa leadership ability ay mahusay ito pong si Abishai. Hanggang sa dumating po dito sa 2 Samuel chapter number 21 and verse number 15 to 17. At dito po sa account na ito, makikita natin how Abishai, listen carefully, saved David from a giant, demonstrating his bravery and devotion. So, kung atin pong titignan, Abishai, significant in the Bible, revolves around the role of a loyal, courageous warrior in King David's service. Known his willingness to fight and protect the man of God or his king. Now, kanina ho ay nabanggit